You know, in the animal kingdom, there are some matchups that just don't seem fair. And then there's this one, a small, furry little animal that takes on some of the deadliest snakes on Earth and actually wins. Yeah. So today we're going to figure out exactly how it pulls that off. All right, so let's just get right to it because this is the big question, right? I mean, how can a creature this small be one of nature's most fearless snake eaters? You look at a mongoose and it's, I don't know, kind of cute, but it has this reputation for taking down cobras. So how? How is that even a thing? Well, the answer starts with something you probably wouldn't expect. For a second, just forget how small it is. This little guy isn't just courageous. No, it actually ranks as one of the world's most aggressive animals. That one fact, it changes everything.
Okay, so it's got the attitude, for sure. But, you know, attitude alone isn't going to win a fight against a cobra. You need the right gear. And believe me, the mongoose comes fully equipped. It's not just showing up to the battle, it's bringing its own built-in arsenal.
And here are its two biggest secret weapons. First up, reflexes. We're talking lightning fast. It can dodge a snake strike that would be game over for pretty much any other animal. And second, that thick fur coat, it's not just for looks. It's basically a suit of armor that can actually deflect a bite. And what's so wild is that these aren't just random lucky traits. The mongoose is a specialist. It's a purpose-built snake fighting machine. Seriously, it's as if evolution designed this animal for one thing, this exact epic showdown. Okay, so let's break down the tail of the tape, because this really shows you what a mismatch it seems like. In one corner, you've got the mongoose, small but super aggressive and wearing its own armor. And in the other corner, the snake, bigger, armed with deadly venom and a killer bite. It's the classic David versus Goliath, for real. All right, the fighters are set. But what happens next isn't just a chaotic, messy brawl. People call it the dance of death for a reason. It's actually a masterclass in agility. It's strategic, it's skillful, and it's absolutely fascinating to watch. So the mongoose basically has this brilliant three-part game plan. Step one is all about agility and quickness. It's just constantly dodging, weaving, staying just out of the snake's reach. Step two, this is the genius part. It's not just defending itself, it's actively wearing the snake out. It's an endurance match. And only when the snake is totally exhausted does it go for step three, the final blow. And that final move, wow, it's pure precision. The mongoose isn't just snapping wildly. No, it waits for that one perfect moment, that one opening, and then it strikes. It's one single, fatal bite, usually right to the back of the head. It's fast, it's clean, and it's lights out for the snake. So what's the big takeaway here? What does this all mean? Because this is way more than just an amazing animal fight. It really teaches us something fundamental about how nature works. You could almost call it the underdog's law. And that's why the mongoose is seen as this shining example of pure fearlessness and aggression. Think about it. It doesn't just get by in a world full of bigger, scarier predators. It thrives. It stands its ground against opponents that, on paper, should have it beat every time. It really all boils down to this one little animal. It's a small creature that hits way above its weight class, and in doing so, it proves a really powerful point. The rules of the fight aren't always what you think they are. And that, right there, is the crucial point. If you take away just one thing from all of this, let it be this. Size just isn't everything, not even close. When it comes to survival, it's about skill, it's about strategy, and sometimes it's about just being more aggressive than the other guy. So that kind of leaves us with one last thing to chew on, right? The mongoose is this amazing example of an underdog that totally rules its little corner of the world, which makes you wonder, what other underdogs are out there quietly dominating the animal kingdom?